Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about parabolas and whether or not they open up or down. So first let's recall that the equation for a quadratic function looks something like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now when I graph these quadratic equations, they're either going to look like this, they're going to be downwards like this, or they're going to open upwards like this. Now the way to determine whether or not a parabola opens up or down is only based off of this value a right here. So all we need to look at is the number that's in front of the x squared term. Alright, so if a is positive, it's going to open up, and if it's negative, it's going to open down. Alright, so let's look at two examples. The first example, I'm writing in green. The first example we're going to look at is going to be 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now, all we need to do to see if this opens up or not is look at the coefficient of the x squared term, and we can see that that is 2. Now, since 2 is greater than 0, it's going to open up. Now, to make this nice and pretty, I went to desmos.com, that's DESMOS.com. I typed in my equation over here, and I'm going to click this button. It's going to open the graph. And now you can see what I mean by opening up is that it opens upwards. The bowl is facing up. I guess that's one way you can think about it. Alright, so for this next example, let's do 5x minus 3x squared plus 1. Now, this is a little tricky because most people want to say, oh, I'm going to look at 5, and that's positive, so that's going to be opening up. But we're actually not going to do that because that's not the coefficient of the x squared term, right? I need to look at x squared and then identify that coefficient. So the coefficient for x squared is negative 3, and negative 3 is less than 0. So that means that this is going to open down. Now, I used my fancy little online graphing calculator, desmos.com. Whoops, let's close that. So we can see I have 5x minus 3x squared plus 1. I'm going to turn the graph on by clicking right here, and my graph opens downwards. We can see that it's downwards facing. Alright, well, that's all I've got for parabolas and whether or not they open up or down. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.